Happy New Year! I have brought a happy news on this particular day to the students who are looking forward to study in Germany. Till now, we normally think about a bachelor's degree program or a master's degree course in a German public university or a private university, and after that to find a job and settle down and all that. But there is something very new now. In 2020, in March, German government has announced a program even for foreign students. Otherwise, it was only for German students. The program's name is Ausbildung. Ausbildung is a German term. In English, you can call it as vocational course or apprenticeship program. So, apprenticeship program is for high school leavers in Germany. Those who complete 10th grade can apply for this program. Generally, in Germany, 70% of the students after high school, after 10th, they choose to study in an apprenticeship program. So what is this apprenticeship program or Ausbildung in Germany? What is the difference, when we compare with our countries, the apprenticeship programs offered in our country? Here in Germany, the program is offered by an employer in collaboration with a German training institution. So the training institution and an employer, together they offer this program. The idea is a student will be trained in a particular profession, and profession what they have already chosen to become or be trained, and it is offered like 50 to 70% will be work placement in the company, and 30 to 50% classroom studies in the training school. In the company, when they participate the work placement, they will be working with the real employees, and they will be completely participating in the work, contributing to the work, and they will be trained there. They will get a real exposure. So the ultimate aim is to train well in the profession, and after completing the course in 3 years, the person should be confident enough to work and in that particular profession where he or she is trained. And as far as the employer is concerned, the employer will get a well-trained, skillful employee later. And as far as the trainee is concerned, the trainee can work in the same place or can work in anywhere in Germany. So this is a win-win situation. And the better part is that there is no tuition fees to be paid for this program. And in addition to that, during the work placement, the participants will be paid between 800 and 1,200 euros. That is from the beginning, and from the first month onwards, this is offered. They are paid, and for the entire duration, this stipend could be more, as that depends upon the relation between the company and the participant and the performance. And so no tuition fees, and you are going to be paid for the entire 3 years, and at the end of the day you are going to be a professional or a third person, and then you can work. After 2 years of work, the same thing is applicable to you as well. You can apply for a permanent residency permit in Germany and settle down, or after that, if you want, you can continue with your bachelor degree studies or master studies, or if you want to continue with work, you can continue with work. This is what Ausbildung and its benefits. Thank you.